Welcome to See a Cartoon.
Hi guys, we just want to wish you as a family today all the very best for the exams. We won't take much time just to share three important unsaid points and one exercise for you guys. So firstly, all the best wish பண்ணி
All
எல்லாருக்குமே.
the best.
Okay. The first thing is many students make this mistake of writing wrong roll number. I don't want you to make that silly mistake and ensure now itself after the video hall ticket இருக்கான்னு பேக்ல செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க guys. Second, question or two times படிங்க. Read the question twice. Very very important. See the next page. Sometimes some adjustment goes to next page. So check all of that and always start with the best question that you know why you will get full marks. And lastly, very very important, don't discuss after exam. Don't discuss சொல்லு.
Don't discuss.
So தீராவே சொல்றான், don't discuss. Very very big mistake students make guys, especially in the MCQ போடுற videosலாம் don't discuss. Straight away move to next exam. Now moving on to the very important calming exercise.
Hi guys, I'm sure you put in a lot of efforts in the last few months and finally it is the D-Day for you all, and here is a small exercise for you to do today guys. Now you're going to have a cutoff for yourself by 1:30. Please do not touch your books after that. Just be with yourself. If they allow you inside the exam hall, go inside, get yourself familiarized. If they don't allow, it's okay. You can just take a small walk. Avoid your friends at that time. Just be with yourself like I told you. Now the most important time is the time between 1:40 to 1:45 where you will just sit in your place and take 10 deep breaths guys. This is going to help you stay calm throughout, and then you're going to wait for the question paper. After that you guys know what to do. All the very best guys.